nyinga en James Opondo. Catherine Wanjeri Jafuambo mane ochwad gi magina e kinde ng'anyo mag rawere dwe mar 7 higani oyudo mich mar Freedom Warrior Award kowuok kuom riwruok mar jochung weche manyien Kenya Editors Guild. Wanjeri nodhial e nyasi mar 7 e romo mar riwruogno mane obagi e kaunti ma Nakuru tarik 16 dwe mar 7 higani. Wanjeri nowachore ni nochwad gi magina gi obila e kinde mane odhi nyime gi timo tije mar fwambo. Jakom riwruogno Zubeida Kome nowacho ni Wanjeri nodhial kaka ng'atno manigi chir kendo dwaro mare mar dhi nyime gi fwambo weche ko omiyo jowinjo koda joneno kata doko ni masira makamano noyude.
They say after the pain there is gain. This is part of it, of the gain. After undergoing the unfortunate incidents of being shot while in the line of duty in Nakuru city. So I'm very honored and I thank every other person who has been there for me. My fellow journalists in Nakuru County standing by me, raising their voices for me to get my justice.
She's an inspiration to many people. She's an inspiration to many young and upcoming journalists. And that's why we decided we have to give her her flowers when she's still alive. We don't have to wait for her to exit the newsroom to say, oh, we should have awarded her. So we felt she deserves it because when many young journalists or many female journalists look at her, they see the strength of a woman.
With all the hardships the media is going through right now, especially for people who are working for small media houses sometimes, or correspondents, where even your pay slip is not assured at the end of the month, you still go back to work. For me, there can be no bigger level of sacrifice, of commitment than that, and that is why I salute her.